Hey, everyone, welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive. Today we're diving into a powerful but less common word, necessitous. So, what does necessitous mean? It describes someone who is very poor or in great need of basic things like food, clothes, or money. If a person is necessitous, they are struggling to meet their daily necessities. For example, the charity helped many necessitous families after the flood. It paints a picture of real hardship and urgency. Necessitous can also mean something that is absolutely necessary or urgent. Like, they faced a necessitous situation that required quick action. Now, let's make it easier with simple synonyms you can use every day: needy, poor, destitute, impoverished, penniless, indigent, and hard up. Instead of saying he is poor, you can say he is necessitous to sound more advanced and precise. Here are example sentences to help you remember. The necessitous student received a scholarship to continue his studies. Many necessitous communities need our support during tough times. She grew up in necessitous conditions but worked hard to build a better life. Mastering words like necessitous helps you express ideas clearly and sound more confident in English. Whether you're writing essays, speaking in meetings, or preparing for exams, this word adds depth to your vocabulary. If you enjoyed learning this word, hit that like button, subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for daily vocabulary boosts, and comment below, have you ever been in a necessitous situation? Share your thoughts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.